Hey guys, welcome back to the Codebug YouTube channel. I am Siddharth Kumar and you're here to learn Java. Guys, in today's video tutorial, I'm gonna show you some basic operations of if statement. What is an if statement now? If statement is a conditional statement to check whether a following condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then we execute our task, and if the condition remains false, then we get out of the loop. Get out of the statement. Yeah, here I've made a program which takes three integer type values as input from the user in the form of a function, and checks whether which among them is greater. Now here goes the if statement. Here's the three values, int a, int b, int c. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, this AND function, this is AND operator, this is a logical operator. Now this condition checks if a is greater than b and a is greater than c. System.out.println a is greater. Else if b is greater than c and b is greater than a, system.out.println b is greater. Else if system.out.println c is greater. So this is a simple program to implement the if statement. You can implement any program using this if condition statement, and you can execute it. Let's see the output. Void main. Now I am going to input three values, 88, 66 and 44. Now we know that the maximum of these is 88, so the output should be a is greater. Things should run again. 44, 35, 66, 66. I think the output should be C. I should run once again. Void main. 44, 55, 66. The output should be C or no. I don't know why it's not running. Let's restart it again. Now let's run the main function. "44, 55, 66. Here's the output. C is greater. So that's all for today. Now in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you what's for loop. What's a loop does. What does a loop do? And I'm going to implement it in some program. So stay tuned for learning more things in Java. That's all for today. Thank you.